today, give you a little DIY on how to put a tire on. I already took it off, so I can't really do that for you, but we'll show you how to put it on. So this is your rim lock. You gotta push it all the way out. Get your tire underneath it. Probably wanna, so you gotta get your bead in here, all right? So you stick it up in there like so. Start pushing it on as much as you possibly can. And this is if you don't have a tire machine, obviously. I do, but I like to use it by hand because it's just easier most of the time just to bust it out by hand. Cool. You just walk it around till it get the first bead all the way around. You gotta have one of these right here. It just makes life a breeze with this tire iron. Motion Pro, get them for like 16, 17 bucks. You can come to our shop, I can order it for you, or you can go online, but I prefer you guys to come to me. We'll get you hooked up. All right, make sure your rim lock moves freely. It's good. Now we're gonna put in the tube. I kind of have a little weird trick I do. Kind of fold it. Get all the air out that you can. It just, for me, works nice. I gotta go get the core to make it hold like that. All right, got the core now. Forgot it over on my tire machine. Everybody has their own way of doing it, but I like suck all the air out. I think probably some people just go for it, but it seems to work good for me. Find where she goes. Right there. This is another cool little trick right here that I've learned over the years. Stick this all the way through the tire. So I have it through the tire all the way onto this side of the rim over here. Show you. So I have it over here. So I can pull down on the whole thing and easily get the tube in. You want to make sure to fold this way and get it out of your tire iron, or you will pinch the tube. So now that you got it, start stuffing it.
Like a turkey.
No, not like a turkey, like a tire. Want to make sure that it doesn't get folded weird when you're sticking it in here, because you don't want to twist it tube. Won't air up right. Most likely will pinch.
So you don't want to fold it before you stick it in.
Alright, that's all good. You want to make sure your core's straight after you get it in there. Usually there's a nut, but on this dirt bike there's not. just a little rubber thing here that holds the core, but I like to use a nut. But I'll try to put this on without shoving it through. I may not even use that. And so when you're taking the tire off, you start at the rim lock here, and you end at the rim lock when you're putting it on. So you start on the opposite side, so then you can suck the tire in as far as possible to get it on easiest. And at the very end, you want to push this rim lock all the way up on the last second so that you'll not pinch the tube, because it pushes the tube to the outside of the tire, which gets it away from the bead. So we'll start now putting it on. I kind of just use my knee at first sometimes, but this one's pretty tight, so I'm not going to be able to. Then I'll just put my knee on it, just shove it in there. Just walk it around now again. Making sure not to go too deep though, because you don't want to catch the tube. Most of the time I can walk it around most of the way with just my knees. Always check the rim lock has play, otherwise you're binding something up. Alright Kyle, this is going to be an important part here to get on video. Come over here. You can see I have the rim lock pushed all the way up to get the tube as far as possible away. Now this is going to be one of the last goes here, most likely. Might get one more. Yeah. Still pushed up. Keep your thumb there. Make sure she doesn't. More, I guess. Just finish it off by hand so you don't scratch the rim up. Come on, you little stinker. Go in there. Bit of a fight today. It's okay. I don't mind it. I'll win. Eventually. Boom.
There it is.
Woo.
That's how it's done.